Jai Shri Gurudev. So, in last class, second PUC CET JEE class, okay, already discussed the matrices synapses. Okay, now we will see the problems, multiple choice questions. How will do? Question number 1. If A and B are square matrices of the same order, okay, then A plus B into A minus B is equals to. So many options are like this: A square minus B square, B A square minus BA minus AB minus B square, okay, and option C is like this: A square minus B square plus BA minus AB. Option D, A square minus BA plus B square plus AB. Like that question is given and these are the options. Okay, so some students are very easy problems, but they are doing the simple mistake. Why? Because by seeing only A plus B A minus B ತರ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, one formula is there: A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. So ಅದನ್ನು A ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. That is wrong. Why? Because this is not a algebra. This is matrices. Matrices ಅಲ್ವಾ, matrices ಒಳಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. I will tell you. Answer: A plus B into A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B. ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್, ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡೋದು. A into A square, A into B minus AB. Okay, next B into A plus BA minus B into minus B minus B square. So this is the answer. Why? Because previous one AB BA ಅನ್ನೋದು equal ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. But here AB is not equal to BA, already told in synapses already ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So AB ಅನ್ನೋದು BA ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇವೆರಡು both are not equal. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ that's why this is whole is called answer. This is answer. Cancel ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Why? Because commutative not holds good for the matrix multiplication. Already told in synapses. Go through that video. Previous video ನೋಡಿ. Okay. AB is not equal to BA. So that's why this is answer. Which option is C? Option C. A square minus B square minus AB plus B. So option C is the right option. C is the right one. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So this is very very important. So many times asked. Next we will move to the next question. So my dear students, next we will move to the second question. So second question. Next second question. If A is equals to 2 minus 1 3 minus 4 5 1, okay, B is equals to 2 3 4 minus 2 1 5, then options are like this. See, option A, only AB is defined, only BA is defined, AB and BA both are defined, and D, AB and BA both are not defined. Okay, when matrix multiplication is defined, AB and BA already told in last class and so many videos. Okay, I will tell another time. Okay, first you have to write the order first. So what is the order for A matrix? First row, second row. So 2 by how many columns? 1 2 3. 2 by 3. A order is 2 by 3 and B order 1 2 3 3 by 2 rows, 2 columns. So therefore 3 cross 2. 2 cross 3 ಈ ತರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು. So easy technique. A 2 cross 3, B 3 cross 2, 2 cross 3, A B. Okay, already told now ಈ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ AB is defined. AB ಯಾರು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ BA ಮಾಡಿ. B ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೀ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ A ಬರೀ. B 3 cross 2, A 2 cross 3. ಈ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ good. This is also defined. So BA also defined. Like that you have to decide. This is easy technique. First write down like this. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ is equals to number of rows in the second matrix means their matrix multiplication is defined. ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ನೋಡಿ ಗಂಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಬಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೈ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಎ ನಾವು ದಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಒನ್? ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಒನ್. ಎ ಬಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಈಗ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್? ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ in first matrix, number of columns in first matrix is equals to number of rows in the second matrix. Number of columns, number of rows. Number of columns in first, number of rows in second. Okay na? So this is about the question number 2. Okay, see which option is the right one? A B and B A both are defined. Okay, next we will move to the third question. Next we will move to the next questions. Question number 3. See, question number 3. The matrix A 0 0 5 0 5 0 5 0 0 is a which type of matrix it is? You have to find out. Options are like this: A scalar matrix, diagonal matrix, and unit matrix, and D square matrix. Okay, understood or not? So this is square matrix now. This is square matrix. This is a square matrix. Why? Because what is the order for this one? See, what is the order? 1 2 3 3 rows. 1 2 3 3 rows. Number of rows is equals to number of columns. So square matrix is there. But you have to first I tell later we can decide. First scalar matrix. Why it is not a scalar matrix? Scalar matrix ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳಿ, first it should be a diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix ಆಗಬೇಕು. Diagonal matrix means non-diagonal elements are 0. Non-diagonal elements are non-diagonal elements 0. So therefore it is not a diagonal. Diagonally agala. Diagonal matrix agala. So this is non-diagonal matrix. So a scalar matrix agala. Unit matrix agala. Unit matrix is what? So unit matrix means identity matrix. Unit matrix. Okay. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Unit matrix. Unit matrix identity matrix are both are same. Okay, ee tara ಇದೆ diagonal unit matrix. Diagonal ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ 0 ಇರಬೇಕು. upper triangle matrix, lower triangle ಎಲ್ಲ 0 ಇರಬೇಕು. So non diagonal elements should be 0. Non diagonal element 0 ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ? That's why it is not scalar, it is not diagonal, it is not unit matrix. Therefore this is what? Square matrix. Why? Because number of rows is equals to number of columns. Understood or not? Option is what? Option D is the right one. Option D is right. Next we move to the fourth question. A and B are symmetric matrices. Two matrices are given. A and B are symmetric matrices of the same order. Okay. And what is this one? AB dash AB whole dash AB dash A into B dash minus B into A dash is equals to 1. Okay. A and B are symmetric matrices. What is the condition for symmetric matrices? A is equals to A transpose. A is equals to A transpose. Answer. B is equals to B dash B dash. A is equals to A dash. B is equals to B dash. Transpose dash variable ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಾ? A is equals to A dash. B is equals to B dash. Why? Because A and B are symmetric matrices. Symmetric matrix definition already taught. Okay. So many videos done. And have to find whether this is which matrix it is. First have to find out whether it is symmetric or not. Skew symmetric. First you have to decide. Okay. Third. First in system third AB whole dash AB dash minus BA dash whole dash whole dash and whole transpose you have to calculate. Whole is equals to ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? See, ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ A ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ A minus B whole dash means A dash minus B dash ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ whole dash applicable ಮಾಡೋಣ. AB whole dash AB dash whole dash minus BA dash whole dash. Okay na? Over. Next another formula is there. AB whole dash into a dash into a minus okay minus b dash first b dash ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್ a dash whole dash ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಓಕೆನಾ b dash a dash ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ a dash ಬರೀಬೇಕು so a dash whole dash why because this one a dash whole dash into b dash okay na so I write so b dash whole dash a dash whole dash equals to a already told formula okay a dash another formula is there a dash whole dash equals to what a b dash whole dash equals to b so by using this formula we can write b dash whole dash equals to b into a dash minus a dash whole dash a b dash so this is the answer okay but the same ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ab dash minus ba dash ab dash a dash ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬಂದಿದೆ so therefore minus ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ab dash minus ba dash minus ba dash ab dash minus ba dash ab dash minus ba dash okay ಇದರ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಗುರುತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಸೊ therefore this is as ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ so ab dash minus ba dash is q symmetric why because what is the condition for the q symmetric a dash is equals to minus a ಬರುತ್ತೆ a transpose is equals to minus a when we get that b is q symmetric b dash is equals to minus b minus minus same value is there so that's why it's q symmetric so which option is right one so option a is the right one so therefore a is one person is a q symmetric matrix artha this is very important some students feeling difficulty don't feel difficulty in order to prove any matrix symmetric or q symmetric first you have to make a whole dash ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ whole dash ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೇ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟೇ ಬಂದರೆ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಅದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದು ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಗುರುತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನಾಟ್ very important question this one very important question for 2 marks also okay so my dear students see this is the next question number 5 if a and b are two skew symmetric matrices here a and b are two skew symmetric matrices means what a dash is equals to minus a okay a dash is equals to minus a and b also skew symmetric matrix so therefore b dash is equals to minus b so these two conditions have to write next order ab is symmetric ab also symmetric ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ so therefore ab symmetric ಅಂದ್ರೆ ab whole dash is equals to ab ಅಂತ ab whole dash is equals to ab ಅಂತ ab symmetric matrix ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ if ಏನು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಓಕೆನಾ what is the condition symmetric ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ then ab is symmetric matrix if which condition satisfy ಆದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ symmetric ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ I will tell you ab whole dash what is the formula actually already told now first ಇಂದ್ರಗಡೆ ನೋಡಿ so b dash a dash b dash a dash b dash a dash what is b dash equals to minus b a dash equals to minus a so minus into minus plus so therefore ba so therefore ab whole dash equals to ba ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ab whole dash equals to ba so ಇವಾಗ ba is equals to ab ಆಗಬೇಕು ab whole dash equals to ab ಆಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ab ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ba value is equals to ab ಆಗಬೇಕು so therefore ba is equals to ab ಆದರೆ so ba value is equals to ab ಬಂದ್ರೆ so ab whole dash equals to what ab ಬರುತ್ತೆ a dash equals to a means symmetric b dash equals to b means symmetric ab whole dash equals to ab means symmetric so when it will be possible a b ವರೆಗೂ ಬಂದಿದೆ b equal ಆದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದರ symmetric ಆಗೋದು so therefore this condition is acceptable so ab is equals to ba otherwise ba is equals to ab that is the right option next we move to the next question If A and B are the matrices of the same order, okay, matrices, then what is the answer for this? Okay, very easy. 3 right on 3 into A dash minus 2 into 3 dash. Very easy problem. Why? Because O dash is there. Transpose, whole transpose can be written, can be called as whole dash. 3A whole dash, 2B whole dash. Constant no 3 to constant no item same only. Like that. Athaita constant ಏನು work out ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. Next we move to the question number 7. Question number 7. Addition of the matrices is defined if order of the matrices is what? Addition ಯಾವಾಗ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Addition of the two matrices is define ಆಗುತ್ತೆ when order of the matrices should be, already told one condition, order of the matrices should be same ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ಇದು addition of the matrices, addition of the two matrices, three matrices ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಇರಬೇಕು? ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಸೇಮ್. 2/2 ಇದ್ರೆ 2/2, 2/3 ಇದ್ರೆ 2/3, 4/3 ಇದ್ರೆ 4/3, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ದ ಟೂ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದ 8th question. If two matrices A and B are of the same order, then so this is true or not, we have to find out. Some problems are there, 3 problems. I will write the homework. Okay, tell me this is true or not true. Why? Because A and B are the same order idre 2A plus B ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೋ, B plus 2A ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this is true statement. So my dear students, this is a true statement. So like that we have to solve some important problems of MCQs. So these are the this is fill in blanks. Okay, all we can't write in MCQs now, so it will be lengthy. That's why I am writing like this. Some problems multiple choice questions. Okay, so my dear students, follow these things, the knowledge will be increased. Okay, next we will go to the next question. So my dear students, so these are some true or false, have to find out. So you can increase the knowledge by observing these conditions. Matrix subtraction is associative. So matrix subtraction is associative ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So therefore it is a matrix false statement. Associative means what? 3 elements of A minus B minus C. A minus B minus C is equals to A minus B minus C ಬರೆಯಲ್ಪಡುತ್ತೆ. So both are same ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So that will be wrong. That's why both are not equal. So therefore matrix subtraction is associative. True or false? It is not true. False ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. See. So that's why it is a false. Why? Because minus multiplication ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus b plus c ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But here minus c is there. So this is not a true statement. So false. Next we move to the next. For the non-singular matrix A dash whole inverse is equals to A inverse whole dash. It is true statement. You can write like this. Okay. It is true statement. So this is true. Next. AB is equals to AC. B is equals to C. So A cancel ಮಾಡಿ. A cancel ಮಾಡಿ B equals to C. Algebra ಆದರೆ cancel ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾಗಿತ್ತು. So for any 3 matrices same order ಇದ್ದರೆ it is possible or not? It is not possible. Why? Because this is not a algebra. This is matrices. Why? Because not possible means how to cancel this one means A ಯಾವಾಗ cancel ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ A inverse ನ both sides applicable ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. A inverse ಅಂತ. A inverse ಅನ್ನೋದು exist ಆಗಬೇಕು first. We don't know, no, not given this problem, no, that's why it is a false statement. ಈ ಥರ A inverse ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, that's why it is a false statement. ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? This is not actually. ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇನ್ CET they will give 4 statements ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು which is true, which is false ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. At that time it will be very useful. ಕೇಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕೂತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? CET will be very useful this one. So AB is equals to AC ಆದರೆ B is equals to C ಆಗಲ್ಲ. This is a false statement. Okay, in matrices. So A cancel ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. It will be possible when A inverse exist starting. A inverse exist star, it will be false. Okay, not given means it is false. Okay. So my dear students, if you like this video means please share and subscribe to my channel. So if you have any doubt means you can ask through call, otherwise through WhatsApp. Okay. Some other questions are there. I will tell in next video. Okay. Thank you.